Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, author of The Football Gods Are Real. And this is the Sports Card Collectors Club, pack opening 458. We got one pack of Upper Deck NFL football from 1991, the premiere edition. Let's rip. Warren Moon, team MVP. Eric Metcalf. Albert Lewis from the Chiefs. Look at his facial expression. He's focused. That's got to be a penalty, right? Look at that holding call right there on Ernie Jones. Pat Beach. This is probably a cool insert for its time. Aerial threats. It's Ronnie Harmon. Back-to-back Chargers. Yeah, nothing really to flip. Nothing worth any money, but it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. God bless.